Bonjour, c'est Monsieur Félix, le professeur de français. So today we'll be looking at useful French prepositions. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you French prepositions and how to use them in sentences. See you in the lesson. So we are talking about les prépositions. Les prépositions. These are prepositions in French. So what is a preposition? A preposition is a small word that links elements of a sentence together. So prepositions indicate the relationships between words. So let's look at few prepositions in French. Sur, it means on or over. Sous, under. Devant, before. Derrière, behind. En face de, in front of. À could mean at, to, or in. Alright? Avec, with. Contre, against. Environ, approximately. À côté de, next to. À droite, right. À gauche, left. Au-dessus de, above. Au-dessous de, below. Dans, it means in or into. Par, it is by or through. Pour, it is for. Au sujet de means about or on the subject of. Au-delà de means beyond. De, it means from, and in some cases it might also mean of or about. En dehors de, outside of. Loin de, far from. Près de, near. Vers can also mean near or towards. Chez, it means that you are at a place or you are going to someone's place. Entre, between. Parmi, among. Après, it means after a certain event or after a certain time. Maybe after the wedding, après le mariage, or after 2 years, after 3 years, après 2 ans, 3 ans. Okay. Avant. Avant also means before a certain time or before a certain event. Depuis means since or for. Since 2 years, since 3 years, or he's been jobless for 3 years or for 4 years. De means since. It means in. Talking about time. So when you say in 2 years, in 2 weeks, in 10 years, so that is the meaning of the here. Jusque, until, pendant, during, or for. Now let's look at a few examples. Le stylo est sur la table. The pen is on the table. Le chien est sous la table. The dog is under the table. Le chat est dans la maison. The cat is in the house. Il est à droite de la voiture. He is at the right side of the car. Elle prépare derrière la maison. She cooks behind the house. Nous sommes dans la salle de conférence. We are in the conference room. Vous allez chez Christophe. You are going to Christophe's place. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my fantastic YouTube channel, and I will bring in more wonderful and qualitative videos your way, and I will see you in the next video.